Today we'll be continuing with words followed by appropriate prepositions. इसी सीरीज के यदि आपने मेरे पहले 2 वीडियो नहीं देखे हैं तो उनका लिंक मैं ऊपर आई बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. नाउ वर्ड इज heedless of. Preposition is of. Heedless of, that is without caring for, means असावधान या बिना ध्यान दिए. Our soldiers stuck to their position heedless of the consequences. Heir to means का उत्तराधिकारी. Lord Rama was declared heir to the throne. Ignorant of, that is having no knowledge of. Say अनजान. If you are ignorant of law, you can be easily cheated. Indebted to a person and for a favor, means obliged to a person for some kindness, यानी के लिए ऋणी हूं. I am indebted to my teachers for my good performance. Indifferent to means heedless of या unconcerned with, that is उदासीन होना. We should try to be indifferent to both flattery and criticism. Injurious to, that is harmful to, यानी को हानिकारक. Smoking is considered to be very injurious to health. Introduce a person to another, यानी परिचय कराना. Let me introduce you to the members of my family. Involved in means to be busy with, that is में शामिल. Right now I am fully involved in my studies. Irrelevant to means having no concern with. Asangat, that is if your examination, in your examination you should not write anything irrelevant to the question. Keen on means eager for, यानी के लिए उत्सुक. Many modern girls are keen on learning judo or karate. Marvel at means to wonder at. पर अचंभा या हैरान. At Manali, I simply marveled at the beauty of nature. Meddle with means to interfere in, that is हस्तक्षेप करना या दखल देना. It is not a good habit to meddle with the affairs of other people. Moved with का मतलब होता है पिटी, दया से द्रवित, पिघलना. We are moved with pity on hearing the news of the death of so many people in the accident. Obliged to a person for some favor, का आभारी होना. The parents were obliged to the policeman for restoring their lost child to them. Now, occupied with that is busy with some people, यानी के साथ प्रवृत्त या मशगूल. Don't disturb the doctor when he is occupied with his patients. And occupied in means busy in some work, busy with some people but busy in some work, that is occupied in, काम में लगा हुआ. These days our teacher is occupied in preparing a team for an inter-school debate. Occur to, that is to come into one's mind, that is घटना या पाया जाना. Sometimes solutions to very ticklish problems occur to me when I'm sleeping. Overcome with means to be totally controlled by or to be made helpless by, यानी काबू पा लेना या वश में करना. The old lady was so overcome with grief that she could not control her tears. Painful too. It is, that is dardnak. It is painful to the commander to see his key posts being bombed. Part from a person, यानी जुदा होना व्यक्ति से. Parting from school friend can be a painful experience. And part with a thing, मतलब परित्याग करना किसी वस्तु का. I can part with anything but not my books. Participate in, that is to take part in, हिस्सा लेना, सम्मिलित होना. It should be compulsory for every student to participate in games. Persist in something. To persist in something is not to stop doing it, यानी कायम रहना, दृढ़ रहना. If the workers persist in their demand for higher wages, the management will have to agree. Now, prefer to means to like some person or thing more than another. अपेक्षाकृत अधिक पसंद करना. These days people have started preferring herbal treatment to allopathic medicines. Preside over or at a meeting. सभापतित्व करना. The education minister of our state presided over the prize distribution function. Take pride in, that is गर्व करना. Mrs. Sharma takes pride in the beautiful roses she grows in her garden. And pride oneself on, अपने आप पर गर्व करना. Mrs. Sharma Mrs. Sharma prides herself on the beautiful roses she grows in her garden. Proud of, का गर्व. Mrs. Sharma is proud of the beautiful roses she grows in her garden. Now, prohibit from, that is to prevent someone from. निषेध या से रोकना. Children below 10 years are prohibited from swimming in this pool. Recover from, that is स्वस्थ होना. The old lady hasn't yet recovered from her illness. Now refer to, उल्लेख या जिक्र करना. If you want to know the exact meaning of a word, refer to a good dictionary. Refrain from means to avoid doing something or to stop doing something. Say bachna. We should refrain from unnecessarily criticizing other people. Relevant to, that is prasangik or anurup. The arguments of the previous speaker were not relevant to the subject of the debate. Now, rely on. Rely on means to depend on. पर भरोसा. I don't rely on others. I believe in doing things myself. Remind a person something. Remind a person of something. That is yaad dilana. Shall I remind you of your promise, or will you remember it yourself? Now, revolt against. That is to make a public protest against. Virudh Vidro. Gandhiji decided to revolt against the unjust salt laws of the government. Submit to, that is to give into or to obey. प्रस्तुत करना, पालन करना. The soldiers had to submit to the commander's order. Succeed in में सफल होना. The scientists succeeded in developing a telephone with a video screen attached to it. Succeed to, that is सफल होना. Akbar succeeded to the throne at a very young age. Superior to means से बेहतर. Imported goods are not longer superior to the goods manufactured in our own country. Supply to, that is आपूर्ति करना. I am sorry to point out that damaged goods have been supplied to us. Supply with मतलब उपलब्ध कराना. That is, each of the blind students was supplied with a tape recorder and 6 cassettes. Surprised at, आश्चर्यचकित होना. We were surprised at Rosie's brilliant result in the final examination. For in the class she was thought to be an average student. Surrender to, that is to yield to. को आत्मसमर्पण. When the soldiers ran out of ammunition, they had to surrender to the enemy. Vain of, that is proud of. गर्वित होना. A person who is vain of being wise cannot be called wise. Wait for a person or a thing, यानी के लिए इंतजार. We kept waiting for at least half an hour. And wait on का मीन्स होता है to attend, सेवा करना या ध्यान देना. We need a sincere and qualified nurse to wait on my old father. Warn a person for something, that is चेतावनी देना. The doctor warned him of the hazards of smoking. Weary of, that is tired of, थका होना. The farmer was weary of the hard work he had to put in the fields. Withdraw from means से अलग हो जाना. When he realized that he did not stand much chance of success, he withdrew from the election. Worthy of, that is deserving. के योग्य. The new novel written by Vikram Seth is worthy of all praise. Yearn for यानी के लिए अभिलाषा या चाह means to long for, to want something very much. Man has always yearned for peace but waged wars. But yield to, that is to surrender to, that is to give in to. After मतलब को आत्मसमर्पण. That after a long battle, the army yielded to the invaders. Thank you.